This is the first question came to my mind when I was looking to create Unmukt as a learning architecture. What is learning? I was searching a definition of learning and I found following text from Carl Rogers which defines the learning most beautifully. He describes learning as, I want to talk about learning but not the lifeless, sterile, futile, quickly forgotten stuff that is crammed into the mind of the poor, helpless individual tied into his seat by ironclad bond of conformity. I am talking about learning, the insatiable curiosity that drives an adolescent boy to absorb everything he can see or hear or read about gasoline engine in order to improve the efficiency and speed of his cruiser. I am talking about the student who says, I am discovering, drawing in from the outside and making that which is drawn in a real part of me. I am talking about the learning in which the experience of the learner progresses along this line. No, that's not what I want. Wait, this is closer to what I am interested in or what I need. Aha, here it is. Now I am grasping and comprehending what I need and what I want to know. That is what I define learning. Now next question, obvious question is, what is the process behind it? So process over here, again I have to go back to some Indian scriptures where learning process has been, I found the answers here, where they define learning into 4 stages, starting from perception from your sensory organ, then conceptualization from the mind, then you make a judgment call, and then the learning gets retained. The input sensory organs, the learning comes, it comes from the 3 different sources. It comes from your observation, it comes from the experiences which you have, and there is a third source of learning which comes from your intention. The way my dreams are there, what my intentions are there, which forces me to think, align my learning in a particular direction. And the more it is aligned, the more it goes into the 4 layers of learning: perception, conception, judgment and retention. And as soon as it goes to retention layer, it becomes part of my knowledge network. And knowledge network, what is defined in the scriptures was, it consists of 4 things. It consists of memory, it consists of recognition, it consists of logic, and it consists of inferences. So this 4 element which comes together forms the knowledge network. So when we need to retrieve that learning back for any application, all the 4 pieces gets connected, and that's what I can retrieve faster. That's what I describe the learning process.